Hey there, fellow grid hunters! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Today we have something special in store for you. We're diving deep into the fascinating realm of DeepBrainChain, a crypto token that's been making waves. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. Well, my friends, DeepBrainChain is not just any ordinary crypto token. It represents the cutting-edge fusion of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. Imagine a decentralized network that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize data processing and storage. DeepBrainChain Token is at the forefront of this groundbreaking innovation, paving the way for a smarter and more efficient future. DeepBrainChain's unique combination of AI and blockchain sets it apart from other tokens in the market. Its innovative architecture enables seamless integration of artificial intelligence algorithms with blockchain technology, creating a powerful ecosystem that drives efficiency, security, and scalability. By leveraging these advanced technologies, DeepBrainChain is poised to reshape industries and unlock new possibilities for businesses and individuals worldwide. Let me tell you, Grid Hunters, the potential of DeepBrainChain knows no bounds. With its advanced AI capabilities, DeepBrainChain is set to transform industries across the globe, from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. The token offers unparalleled solutions to complex problems. It enables faster and more secure data processing, unlocks new levels of efficiency, and empowers businesses to thrive in the digital age. The possibilities are truly endless. DeepBrainChain's impact on healthcare, for example, is tremendous. By utilizing AI-powered algorithms, medical professionals can analyze vast amounts of patient data to make accurate diagnosis and personalized treatment plans. This not only saves lives, but also reduces costs and improves overall healthcare outcomes. The applications extend beyond healthcare, making DeepBrainChain an indispensable tool in driving progress and innovation across various sectors. So you may be wondering, what problem does DeepBrainChain solve? Let's get to the heart of the matter. DeepBrainChain tackles one of the most pressing challenges of our time: data privacy and security. As we immerse ourselves in a digital landscape filled with cyber threats, DeepBrainChain comes to the rescue. By leveraging the power of blockchain, it ensures data integrity and immutability, safeguarding sensitive information from unauthorized access. It's a game changer that restores trust in a world where privacy is paramount. Furthermore, DeepBrainChain addresses the issue of data monopolization by centralized entities. With its decentralized network, data is distributed and processed across multiple nodes, eliminating the control and dominance of a single authority. This democratization of data not only promotes transparency but also prevents the abuse of power, ultimately empowering individuals and businesses to take control of their own data. Now the million-dollar question. Grid Hunters, investing in DeepBrainChain is not just about financial gains. It's about being part of a revolution. As more industries embrace AI and blockchain, the demand for DeepBrainChain will soar. By investing now, you're not only tapping into the potential for substantial returns, but also contributing to a transformative force that will shape the world we live in. It's an opportunity to make a difference while securing your financial future. Additionally, DeepBrainChain's growing partnerships and collaborations with leading organizations further solidify its position as a promising investment. These strategic alliances expand its reach, foster innovation, and fuel adoption across industries. As the world witnesses the transformative power of DeepBrainChain, early investors have the chance to be at the forefront of this technological revolution, reaping the rewards both financially and ideologically. And there you have it, my fellow grid hunters, DeepBrainChain, a crypto token that's redefining what's possible. Join us on this thrilling adventure and become a part of the Grid Hunters community as we explore limitless potential of DeepBrainChain. Remember to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and join the conversation in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hunting for the future. I want to emphasize that the Grid Hunters is not a financial advisory service. While we love discussing financial markets, investments, and strategies, it's crucial to remember that the content we share on this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you're trading any kind of cryptocurrencies, do so at your own risk. Never invest more than what you're ready to lose.